All right. So then what I will do is in this demo session, we will talk about to the topics which we have learned before, right? Like in the grade 9. So those I will choose because in year 11, you are going to learn the same things again, but then the more depth and you will learn the more
Okay.
concept related to that. Okay. So for example, let's say I will choose the 1 1 2 2 question of each topic because once I have the idea about you, right? How much you know, how much you don't know, right? Then according to that, I can plan it out. Okay. So you can see my screen, right? Simultaneous
Yeah.
equations. So let's say we are having x plus 2y equals to 5 and x minus y equals to -1, right? And we want to solve them, right? So what we do is either there are the two different ways to solve it, right? One, we can do the elimination, right? Eliminate one of the variable, right? One of the letter, and that letter we will say in technical word is variable. So either we can eliminate x or either we can eliminate y, right? It is all up to you which one which you want to eliminate. And second is by the substitution. Okay. So for example, I want to eliminate the y, right? We can do the x also. There is no problem. We want to eliminate, let's say the y, right? But here is the 2 and here is nothing. That meaning is 1, right? So what we do is whatever is the number before it, we multiply on the top, and this number we multiply on the bottom, right? So these equations will be, but see, this one will be multiplied with every single fellow, right? X plus 2y equals to 5, and this 2 will multiply with the every single thing. And then we will see here if the signs are the same, if signs of variables are same, then we subtract. And if different, right, then we will add. So we want to eliminate what here, y here, right?
But
So
wasn't
this,
X and X the same? Like you could cut that also, right? X and X.
of course, you can do that. So if they're having the same sign, right? So then we will subtract, and if they're different, then we will add. So actually, what I'm doing is here I'm removing the y, right? That's why I'm adding those multiplied 1 and 2 here. So this we can add. So 1x plus 2x, so that will be 3x. 2y minus 2y, so that will be nothing. 5 minus 2, that will be just 3. So x will be 3 over 3, which is 1. Any problem in this, Tanisha?
Um,
You
one
get it?
sec.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. So if the two fellows are having the different sign, so we will directly add. So 2y plus minus 2y. So plus minus is minus, right? So that's why they cancel out. And x plus 2x together will be 3x. And 5 plus minus 2, right? So plus minus is minus. So 5 minus 2, which is 3. So the one left side, we are having the positive 3x, and right side, we are having just a 3. Okay.
Yeah.
And then we want to find out the value of x. So that's why I divide it by 3 to the both sides. So 3 side left side is cancelled out. And right side 3 over 3 is, which is just a 1. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Will you try? Firstly, for the value of y, right now we are having just x, right? So for the value of y, we can choose any of the equation and then we can find. So let's say we are taking first equation. So in that, we will substitute x is equal to 1. 1 plus 2y equals to 5. So 2y equals to 4, can we say? So then divide by 2. So y will be 2. Look at this working. Is it clear,
I didn't get
Tanisha?
it.
Okay. See, we
I
have
didn't get
the,
the Y.
yeah, I'll explain it. X, we are having the 1, right? And two equations we have minus 1. We want to find out the value of y. X we already found, right? So what we can do is to get the value of y, we either choose this equation or we can choose this equation. It doesn't depend which one you are choosing, right? In the end, the y value you are going to get is the same. So for example, I'm choosing first one, right? So the value of x we already are having, right? 1. So this will be 1 plus this 2y as it is equals 5. Then we want to get rid over this one, so we will subtract. So this gone. So this is 2y. 5 minus 1 is 4. We want to get the y, so we will divide by 2. So then this y equals to 4 divides 2, which is 2. Is it clear now?
Um,
Yes,
like
Tanisha. Yeah, yeah,
so, like, did you do 1 minus 5 first?
yeah. No, what I've done is we want the value of y, right?
Mm,
So x value we already found, which is 1, right? By eliminating the y. So we are having the two options available, right? The x plus
mm,
2y equals to 5, that is the one, and second x minus y equals to 1, minus 1. You can choose any of them, whichever you like, right?
yeah.
So I've chosen the first one. So x that value we already have, right? So that we will replace it by how much? By the 1, right? Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So x will be 1 plus 2y, and that is equal to 5, isn't it? So then,
Yeah.
yeah. So then we want to make y as a subject. So I moved 1 to the other side, right? Or we can subtract the 1 to the from the both sides. So from the one side it will be gone. This will be gone. And here 5 minus 1, so that will be 4, right? So what we are left with? We left with the 2y and 5, right? Now we want to remove this 2 as well because we want to make the y alone, right? So this is multiplied. So I'm dividing by 2. This is supposed to be 4. Yeah. So then this 2 and 2 will be gone. So 4 divided by 2 is just 2. Is it
Yeah.
fine now?
Yeah.
Sure, 100%. It is clear. Otherwise, I will take one more example. Okay, let me
You do
take
one more
one more.
example.
Yeah, I will take one more. See, suppose x plus y equals to 7 and x minus 2y mm, is equal to 1, right? So then we want to solve for x, right? Solve for x and y. Solve the equations. So basically, we need to find out the value of x and value of y. Now, the first thing, which one we want to eliminate? Let's say we want to eliminate the x here, right? We are eliminating. Let's say we are eliminating the y. The same. So here is nothing that meaning 1. So there is a 2. Here is 1. So we multiply 1 here, 2 here, and 1 over there, right? In the entire thing.
Yeah.
So that will become 2 will be multiplied in every single thing. So 2x plus 2y equals to 14, and x minus 2y equals to 1.
Yeah.
Okay. Now see this, these two y's are having the opposite sign. If there is opposite sign, so we will do just addition.
Minus. Oh,
Yeah, it's directly it. If there are the same sign, then we will do the minus. So 2x plus x, that will be 3x. Now see this 2y plus minus 2y, right? So plus minus will
plus
be minus.
minus.
They will be gone, right? And 14 plus 1, so 15. But we are looking for, we want the value of x and y, right? So to get it over 3, this 3, right? We
Yeah.
will do divide by 3 to the both side. So then this is 5 ones, 3 ones are 1, and 5 threes are 15. So x will be 5. Okay. Now what we are looking for, we have to find the y also, right? So this using
Yeah.
this, now we are having the x, and what are the original equations we have x plus y equals to 7 and x minus 2y equals to 1. So any of them we can choose and get the y. So at the place of x we will substitute the 5. So this 5 we are, suppose we are choosing the first one. So this x value we already found, which is 5, right? So 5 plus y equals to 7. So then y will be 7 minus 5. So that will be just 2. Is it clear now, Tanisha? Look at it.
So which? Okay, wait.
Yeah, just look at that for 2 minutes and then tell me. Otherwise, I will take one more example. No need to worry.
Yeah, I got it. Yep.
Yeah, you got it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, can you try this,
Yeah.
Tanisha?
Which one? Okay.
Yeah, yeah, this question, the question which I written.
Can I write on the board?
Do you have the pen and the paper with you?
No. Can I go get it?
Yeah, yeah, you can, you can.
Okay.
Yeah,
So do I like
yeah,
take y and multiply with the down and then take like do the same method what you did in the first?
exactly. But see here, if you observe one thing, then numbers are the same, right? There is a 1 1 before it, right? Before there was a different number. That's why we were
Yeah.
multiplying, right? Here they are the same, so you just have to decide whether you have to add or subtract. You don't have to multiply anything, right?
Yeah. Okay. So I'm supposed to add.
Exactly. To eliminate the y. So when we are adding, so this x. Okay, you tried. You tried.
I don't get it.
Okay. See here x minus y and x plus y, right? So we are adding, isn't it? So if we add, so this x and x together will be 2x, right? But this is minus y, this is plus y. So they're gonna cancel out, isn't it? So we have nothing, right? And this 3 plus 2, which will be 5. Got it? Is this fine?
Yeah.
Hmm. Now say we are looking for x. So we divide by 2 here, we divide by 2 here. So this will be gone. So 5 divides 2, which is 2.5. Right. So x value we are having. Okay. Now we want the y value also, right? So we can choose any of them. So we can choose the first one or second one, right? So usually we will take the first equation. So in this x we will make 2.5. So 2.5 minus y equals to 3. We want to get it over this 2.5. So we do minus 2.5 this side, minus 2.5 this side. So this will be gone. So here is minus y and 3 minus 2.5, which is just 0.5, right? Or you can use the calculator. And if you want to change the sign of this, so then it will be minus 0.5. Is it clear?
Um.
Yeah. Look at this, Tanisha.
Yeah.
Is it clear now, right?
So 2.5 and 2.5. Uh, how do you get 0.5 from?
See, actually, what we are doing is we have x minus y equals to 3, right? And
Yeah.
we have the x is 2.5. So then we want to make y alone, right? So this will move to the other side, isn't it? So if you are moving to the other side, so that will become negative. So 3 minus 2.5, so that will be 0.5, right? And this minus, we can switch it around, so it will be minus 0. Is it, is it
Yeah.
yeah.